In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning Canva presentations for 2025. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, pitching a new idea, or simply showcasing your creative work, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to craft beautiful presentations in just minutes. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily bring your presentation ideas to life with Canva. To get started, head over to Canva and type presentation into the search bar. This is your first step towards accessing a vast collection of templates designed to meet a wide range of presentation needs. You'll be greeted with numerous options from simple designs to more elaborate layouts. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves time and provides a foundation that can be easily customized to fit your specific theme or message. Once you've entered presentation into the search field, your next task is to select a template from the available options. Don't stress about finding the perfect one right away. Remember, this is just a starting point. Canva's library is filled with diverse slideshow templates, giving you the freedom to choose something that resonates with the tone and style of your upcoming presentation. Take your time browsing through the collections and pick a template that captures the essence of what you wish to convey. Once you've chosen a template, click on Customize this template. This action opens an editable workspace where you can tailor the presentation to align with your vision. Here's where the fun really begins. You can modify, delete, or add elements according to your requirements, change backgrounds, insert images, and even incorporate videos if needed. Canva provides an array of options, enabling you to play around with different features and explore creative possibilities. Now we move to one of the most critical steps, editing the text. Begin by carefully replacing the placeholder text with your own content. This process transforms the generic into the unique, allowing your voice and message to shine through. It's important to focus on clarity and coherence, ensuring each slide flows seamlessly into the next. Pay attention to the font size and color to maintain readability and aesthetic appeal throughout your presentation. Great presentations don't just look good, they also communicate effectively, so ensure the text supports your visuals and engages your audience. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to crafting a professional, eye-catching presentation ready to impress any audience. Remember, the key to an outstanding presentation lies in how you adapt and personalize the resources available to you. Experiment with colors, layouts, and multimedia elements. Your creativity is the only limit. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed a template into a personalized presentation masterpiece using Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your next presentation with ease.